Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Wow, what a difference a day makes, no kidding. I mean, yesterday we had a beautiful, nice, warm weather yesterday. After all, the Dodgers had their like 4-year wait to, it so happens that we got the championship, the World Series championship back. Um within this decade, since 2020. Sadly, COVID ripped them off from and Lakers too. I'm sure the parade celebration, but yesterday, totally different story. Warm, gorgeous, warm weather, and for their parade that they've been waiting for 4 years, and it's well deserved, not to be biased. So okay, good job, Dodgers. But that's not the issue. Now today I've got to talk about the weather. Now it's gloomy, it's cloudy, no rain yet, so that's henceforth I'm wearing this top, long sleeve top, keep myself warm. Here we go, for the last time. Ulta and Wicked, well, specifically R.E.M Beauty, and Wicked got me hook, line, and sinker for the last time, and this time, me, I finally got this Ozdust Eyeshadow Palette. So, you know the drill with this one. I've never tried it. I've never tried it at all. I'm just gonna wing it. So with each section, instead of going vertical, I'm gonna go horizontal in each row. So I call it. From what I understand, it seems like each of the horizontal rows are based on the three characters in this love triangle of the story. So one row is Galinda turned Glinda. The other one is Elphaba, and the third one is Fiero. Let's get started. No makeup at all, just barefaced. There's one more thing I need to do. Check out my cute fudge balls. Check out my cute whatchamacallit, cute top and my shower curtain. Okay, I have my handy makeup eraser right here, so I can change my eyeshadows. Dry my hands off. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna start off. No concealer, no nothing, no primer, nothing. I'm just gonna go for it all. Okay. Okay, see this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna play it by ear. I'm gonna start off with the Glinda row up here. I feel like taking Thrillifying as my crease color. So let's hear, this. Okay. Okay, nice neutral color. I'll do it one more time. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna put in crease and then outer corner. Okay, lovely. Okay, I'm just gonna go by my instinct. So I'm gonna go for Darlingest. It looks like a two-tone color, like a lighter pink and then a darker pink. And so I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna use my flat brush from my old flat brush from Wet n Wild. I'm just gonna pat it down. Okay, I'm gonna plan to put it on the outer half of my lid. Okay. I'm just gonna guess. I'm gonna wing it. Oh, okay, lovely. Okay. Okay. Tried to do it a little middle out to the other lid. Okay. So I'm gonna take this. Again, I'm just gonna wing it. So the next one I'm going to use Perfectly Pink. It's a light, it looks like a light shimmery pink or foil pink. I plan to put it in my inner lid. Oh, to meet. Ooh, I better be careful. It looks too soft. I don't want to be aggressive with the brush. Yeah, well, I'm afraid to pat it down. It's gonna be glittery. Dang. Okay, go like this. Wow, okay, all right, marry it with the other color. Wow, very sparkly. That's for glittery. Doesn't look like it. It looks like a foiled shade in the pan, but it's like pretty glittery. Oh yeah, you see it? Yes. Okay. All right, and then for the last color, I'm gonna go for Goodness Knows. It's part of the lyrics from her first Glinda's first song called No One Mourns Wicked. I'm gonna put it in my brow bone. Okay. Okay, and this is Glinda. Okay, so on to the next row. Man, I am so excited to see this movie. I've got to see this movie. I want to know how they're gonna do it on how they're gonna do it on screen, in the movie, in the film adaptation of this Broadway musical. Wow. I've yet to read the novel. I should read the novel. I heard somebody told me, one of my old coworker friends told me that the book is better than the Broadway musical. Okay. All right, we're gonna go for the next row, obviously based on Elphaba. It's gonna be very interesting how I'm gonna do this one. It's like three shimmery, one's foiled, one's like frosty, couple. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay, it's a gamble. Okay. I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna go Bewitching in that I'm gonna go this way this time around. I'm gonna do Bewitching on the mid to outer lid. So, like a brownish fourth green shade, looks darker. Okay. Ooh, wow. Ooh, okay, it's lighter, but kind of reminds me of my old MAC Club eyeshadow. Oh, it's like brownie green. Little blue shift there a little bit. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna play it by ear. Let's see how it goes. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got this, I got this. All right, so it sounds. I feel like she's phosphorescent. I'm gonna put it in the inner lid, inner to mid lid. It looks like a bluish color in my light. Looks like a foiled one. I'm trying not to be so, yeah. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, all right. I'm just guessing. I'm not sure. But it looks like a little, I don't know why in my lid it looks a little darker. That's okay. That's fine. Just playing in my ear. It's fine. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 I don't want to put way too much, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm gonna do? I feel like taking this normal is overrated. I feel like putting it in the middle of the lid. Between these two colors. It's like a foiled, like goldeny shadow, I believe. Okay. Oh, cool. Impressive. I don't feel like putting the lid. I'm scared. So, and then, yeah. And then I feel like putting the final shade. I'm too scared to put that same shade on my brow bone. It's gonna be like a glittery, shimmery foil overload. I'm gonna go for positively green in the outer corner, outer V corner. Yes, and not too much. I feel like going like this. Whoa, okay. Woohoo. Oh man, I should have went for thinner brush. That's okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm gonna play bigger. Whatever's left over on my brush for that positively green, I might as well put it like this. Okay. And so that's it for the alphabet section. One more to go. Oh, darn it. Talking about my flaws. Right. Okay, I'm gonna remove this alphabet eyeshadow look. I'm making room for Fiero, the final row of this collection. Okay, let's see what we have here. Same thing like the alphabet, there's only one. I think I have an idea what to do. Okay. So, right off the bat, I'm going to go for espresso. And I'm going to put it on as my mid-tone crease shade. Take this Essence Beauty blending brush. Oh, shit. Oh, interesting. It's like a cool beige color, tan color. Okay. All right. Interesting. Save me this dance. I feel like putting it, yeah, there's this thing over here, the middle outer lid. So it looks like a fall color. Try not to be so aggressive with this flat shader brush. It's like a periwinkle color. Let's see what it looks like on my lid. I have some friends. I have some friends over my house right now. um, actually, a friend. It was light, dang. I don't know. I'm scared right now. Yeah. Wow, damn. I can't. I think this is practically the most neutral out of all, other than Glinda's section. Dang, this is pretty neutral. Damn. Okay, well. Okay. Maybe, you know what? I don't take it. I don't care. Swankified? God. Oh, I'll take a chance. Hopefully, it's a little bit. Oh, thank God. It's a little bit more bright. Swankified. Looks like a lavender lilac color in the pan and this lighting. Oh, man. That looks. It's okay. It's all right. What I should have done had I known, I should have put my finger. I should have put Swankified over here and then save me this dance in here. Oh, well. It is what it is. I'm going to go on with the video. I do not care. I do not care. And then I do not care. I'm gonna go on with this video. Great. And then finally, the shiz. I'm a little nervous about this one. I'm gonna risk it and put it on my brow bone. Oh boy, light. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. It's just like silver. Looks like a silver color in the pan. A little bit more. And I want to know if I should put it over here. You know what? Let's go for it. I'll put espresso like as an eyeliner. Okay, and there you have it. I'm so happy I finally did this tutorial. Promptu. Wing it. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out. Bye.